Technology is reshaping the nursing profession, providing endless opportunities for career growth and improved patient care. By embracing emerging technology trends, nurses can position themselves as leaders in healthcare innovations. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Caring Heart. I'm Benis Ododo. Do you know digital platforms are revolutionizing the nursing profession? The nursing profession is evolving rapidly, and emerging technologies are playing a crucial role in shaping the future of healthcare. From artificial intelligence to telehealth, wearable devices, and electronic health records. Technology is transforming patient care and providing nurses with opportunities for career advancement. Embracing these innovations can enhance efficiency, improve patients' outcomes, and open doors for professional growth. Let's dive in. Number one, technology is telehealth and remote patient monitoring. Telehealth has revolutionized the way healthcare is delivered, allowing nurses to provide care beyond the traditional hospital setting. Remote patient monitoring enables nurses to track vital signs, manage chronic conditions, and offer visual consultation. By gaining these expertise in telehealth platforms, nurses can explore roles in telemedicine, care coordination, and visual nursing. The Medical Surgical Nursing Certification Board started its first visual certification course in 2024. You may want to take advantage of it to gain expertise. Number two, technology is artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is reshaping healthcare by providing diagnostic, predictive analytics, and administrative tasks. Nurses who understand AI-driven tools can better analyze patients' data, optimize workflows, and enhance clinical decision-making. Learning about AI applications in nursing, such as clinical decision support systems and predictive analytics, can position nurses for leadership roles in healthcare informatics. The third digital platform is electronic health records and data management. EHRs are essential for maintaining accurate patient records, ensuring continuity of care, and reducing medical errors. Nurses proficient in EHR system can enhance patient documentation, streamline workflows, and contribute to quality improvement initiatives. Obtaining certification in healthcare informatics or EHR management can boost a nurse's career prospect. Another digital platform is wearable health technologies. Wearable devices like smartwatches, fitness trackers, and biosensors provide real-time patient data, helping nurses monitor patients remotely. These tools can enable early detections of health issues, promote preventive care, and enhance chronic disease management. Nurses who stay updated on wearable technology trends can play a pivotal role in patient education and remote monitoring programs. The fifth digital platform is visual and augmented reality. In nursing education, VR and AR are transforming nursing education by providing immersive simulations for skill training and patient interactions. These technologies allow nurses to practice procedures in a risk-free environment, improving their competency and confidence. Engaging in VR-based training programs can help nurses enhance their clinical skills and advance their career. Number 6 is blockchain for secure healthcare data management. Blockchain technology ensures secure and transparent data sharing, reducing risks of data breaches and fraud. Nurses with knowledge of blockchain applications in healthcare can advocate for improved patient data security and explore roles in healthcare cybersecurity and data management. The seventh digital platform is 3D printing in medical applications. 3D printing is being used for creating anatomical models, prostheses, and custom medical devices. Nurses familiar with 3D printing applications can contribute to personalized patient care and innovation in medical treatment. Exploring certification in healthcare technology and innovation can open new career pathways. The eighth digital platform is big data and predictive analytics. Big data helps in identifying trends, predicting disease outbreaks, and optimizing patient care. Nurses with analytic skills can interpret healthcare data, contribute to evidence-based practices, and improve patient care strategies. Courses in data analytics and informatics can enhance nurses' ability to work with larger data sets and inform clinical decisions. How can nurses stay ahead of this digital trend? One is enrolling in continuing education. Online courses, workshops, and certifications in healthcare technology can keep nurses updated. Two, you can join professional networks, engage in nursing associations and technology forums to stay informed about industry advancement. Three, embrace a growth mindset. Be open to learning, adapting to new technologies to enhance career opportunities. Four is pursue specialization. Fields like nursing informatics, telehealth nursing, and AI in healthcare offer diverse career pathways. Technology is reshaping the nursing profession, providing endless opportunities for career growth and improved patient care. By embracing emerging technology trends, nurses can position themselves as leaders in healthcare innovations, advance their professional development, and contribute to a more efficient and patient-centered care system. Staying proactive in learning about new technologies will not only enhance nursing practice, but also shape the future of healthcare delivery. For more information, visit the link in the description box. But remember, a caring heart makes a difference. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye. I wish I knew.